guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is KimberlyElese, and today's video is going to be my wash day routine featuring the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. I'm starting out with the Restore and Strengthen shampoo. This shampoo has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Guys, I really did enjoy using this shampoo. I was able to detangle the top of my hair with it. It has a wonderful lather, and I was able to get in there and get that nice scrub and scratch going on. It felt so good on my scalp, guys. The shampoo didn't cause any tangles. My hair didn't feel stripped, but at the same time, my scalp was nice and clean. After rinsing that out, I'm going to go in with my deep conditioner, and I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. I really enjoyed this treatment mask as well, guys. Upon first putting it on my hair, it does feel like it's just sitting on top of your hair, but the label does say to use heat with this product, so that's what I did. After working that through, I applied a plastic cap and I used my deep conditioning cap for 30 minutes, and it did absorb into my strands nicely. I am quite heavy-handed with my deep conditioner, guys, so I'm just going to slather that in. You can detangle your hair with this product if your hair is longer than mine, so that's a plus as well. After working that through, I'm going to take my plastic cap and my deep conditioning cap and let that sit for 30 minutes. After rinsing it out, guys, my hair was so soft. And then I'm going to go in with the styling process. I'm starting out with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Grow Leave-In Conditioner. Now, the leave-in conditioner is the only one out of the line that I really did not like. It just kind of sat on top of my hair. I'm using the prayer hand methods to try to get it to work into my hair strands, but it really didn't work. It just kind of felt like it was sitting on top of my hair. Also, the leave-in conditioner caused my hair to flake throughout the week with this wash and go. I'm just going to continue to try to work that in the best way I can. After getting the leave-in worked in, I'm going to go in with the hair oil. If you've seen any of my previous videos, which by the way, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. I have alopecia, CCCA alopecia in the crown, and traction alopecia on my sides. So I do like to go in 2 to 3 times a week with the hair oil to keep my scalp healthy. I'm just going to massage that in. And the residue that I have on my hands, I'm just going to rub that over the rest of my hair for some added moisture. And then I'm going to go in with my gel. You'll see that once I apply this gel, my hair is going to start turning white. Guys, it's not due to the oil, it's due to the leave-in conditioner, which is one of the reasons why I'm really not too crazy about the leave-in conditioner. I've used this gel with the oil before and I didn't get this white residue, so I don't think I'll be using the leave-in anymore. But the residue will dry clear once your hair dries, so I'm just going to continue to work that gel in and style my hair as normal. The gel is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil plus Flaxseed Strong Hold Styling Gel. And guys, I really do enjoy this gel. I've used this gel plenty of times and I don't really get flakes or anything like that. It has hold, but it doesn't have like a hard to the crunch type hold. And as usual, you guys know I love my styling sponge, so I'm going to go in with my sponge and coil my hair. I go back and forth between the sponge and my fingers. I use my fingers to kind of lift up my roots and use the sponge to get some curl definition. The sponge does cause your hair to kind of clump in bigger curl clumps, so I'll go in later and separate those clumps with my fingers as well. Overall, guys, I really do like the products. The only thing that I would say is the leave-in. Like I said, I'm not too crazy about that leave-in. The smell of the products, it has like that old school Play-Doh smell. You remember that Play-Doh that we used to play with back in the day? It kind of smells like that. It's not a complete turn off to me, but it's not the best smell in the world either. And I just go back and forth between my fingers and the sponge until I'm satisfied with the amount of curl definition that I have. And then I'm gonna go in with my fingers and take some of those bigger clumps and separate them. I'll just twirl them around my fingers. Guys, I know it looks like I'm kind of going in pretty hard with this sponge, but I promise you I'm not. It just looks that way. While using the sponge, you just really want to touch like the tips of your hair. You don't want to push it down to your scalp, and your hair will start forming those coils. And then I'm going to go in and take those bigger clumps and just twirl them around my fingers to separate them into smaller curls. I don't really have a defined method of doing this. I just pick up the bigger clumps, take the hair, separate it, and then twirl it and then let it go. And I do that until I'm satisfied with the overall look. And then I'll use my fingers to kind of go in and zhuzh up my roots a little bit. And I just keep twirling, going back and forth with my fingers and twirling the curls until I have something that looks like this. I use my fingers to kind of mold my edges into shape. And once I'm satisfied with how I'm looking, I'm gonna let it dry. It really didn't take that long to dry either, guys. It took about maybe 20 minutes for my hair to dry. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I really like how my curls came out using these products. My hair is defined, the curls are popping, and my hair isn't dry. It's very soft and moisturized. Overall, I would give these products a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, go down below and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I post a new upload. That's all I got for today. Until next time, bye.